Welcome to Flash Auto Maintenance, the premier destination for European car owners in Sharjah. Our modern workshop is home to agency-certified technicians who are passionate about keeping your car running smoothly. At Flash Auto Maintenance, we understand the importance of maintaining your European car to the highest standards. That's why we use the latest tools and equipment to diagnose and repair any issues that may arise. Our technicians are trained to work with all makes and models of European cars, including Rolls-Royce, BMW, Mercedes, Audi, and more. We take pride in offering personalized service to each and every one of our customers. Whether you need a routine oil change or a major repair, we will work with you to create a customized maintenance plan that fits your needs and budget. So if you're looking for a trusted partner to help you keep your European car in top shape, look no further than Flash Auto Maintenance. Contact us today to schedule an appointment and experience the difference for yourself.